Welcome back to the Soil Alphabet series. Today we're going to talk about the letter J for Jarosite. Jarosite is a yellow sulfate mineral found in acid sulfate soils. But what does that mean? Let's break it down. Acid sulfate soils can have a pH of around 3.5, which is very acidic. This happens because the soil has a lot of reduced sulfur, which is sulfur with a lot of electrons, and that comes in the form of pyrite. Think of this sulfur as having a lot of stored energy. This type of sulfate is formed in wetland or waterlogged soils where oxygen is scarce. When those wetland soils are moved or disturbed in one way or another, oxygen enters into the soil and that sulfur loses those electrons, which is called being oxidized. As that sulfur reacts with the oxygen, it changes forms into what's called sulfuric acid. That sulfuric acid releases its hydrogen atoms into the soil. Remember, pH is a measurement of how many hydrogen ions are in a solution. The increase of the sulfuric acid's hydrogen into the soil causes the pH to drop, aka become more acidic. Now, since these reactions happen at a micro level, you can't see it. So how can you tell if sulfur became oxidized? Easy. By seeing the presence of a yellow sulfate mineral called jarosite. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next letter in the series where we begin with the letter K.